Welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, where we celebrate the world's most beautiful, iconic, and timeless automobiles. If you love classic luxury cars and automotive history, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of enthusiasts who appreciate craftsmanship, elegance, and engineering excellence. Today, we are taking a journey back to one of the most remarkable luxury automobiles ever created, the 1938 Rolls-Royce. At a time when the world was on the edge of tremendous change, Rolls-Royce continued to build automobiles that represented perfection, prestige, and unmatched craftsmanship. The 1938 Rolls-Royce was not simply a vehicle, it was a symbol of status, sophistication, and the highest standards of automotive engineering. The late 1930s marked an extraordinary era for luxury automobiles. Manufacturers competed to create vehicles that combined elegance with performance, but few could match the reputation of Rolls-Royce. By 1938, the company had already established itself as one of the most respected names in the automotive world. Owning a Rolls-Royce was considered the ultimate statement of success and refinement. One of the most admired Rolls-Royce models of the period was the Phantom III. Introduced a few years earlier, it represented the pinnacle of luxury motoring. The Phantom III featured a powerful V12 engine, an impressive engineering achievement for its time. This engine delivered smooth and quiet performance that became a hallmark of the Rolls-Royce experience. What truly distinguished the 1938 Rolls-Royce was its extraordinary attention to detail. Every vehicle was built with precision and care. Unlike modern mass-produced automobiles, these cars were handcrafted by skilled artisans who dedicated countless hours to perfecting every component. From the polished wood interiors to the finest leather upholstery, every detail reflected the company's commitment to excellence. The exterior styling of the 1938 Rolls-Royce remains breathtaking even today. Long flowing fenders, elegant proportions, and graceful lines gave the automobile a commanding yet sophisticated presence. The iconic radiator grille stood proudly at the front, crowned by the famous Spirit of Ecstasy mascot. This symbol became one of the most recognizable emblems in automotive history and represented luxury, freedom, and elegance. Many Rolls-Royce vehicles of this era were custom-bodied. Wealthy customers often purchased a chassis and commissioned renowned coach builders to create unique bodies according to their personal tastes. As a result, no two cars were exactly alike. Each vehicle became a rolling work of art, reflecting the personality and preferences of its owner. Interior. Inside the cabin, passengers experienced a level of comfort rarely seen in automobiles of the time. Thick carpeting, handcrafted wood trim, luxurious seating, and meticulous finishing created an atmosphere more comparable to a private lounge than a motor car. Rolls-Royce engineers worked tirelessly to minimize noise and vibration, ensuring passengers enjoyed a smooth and peaceful ride. Performance was equally impressive. The advanced V12 engine provided effortless acceleration and exceptional refinement. While many luxury cars focused primarily on comfort, the 1938 Rolls-Royce demonstrated that luxury and performance could coexist. Drivers appreciated the car's power, stability, and reliability, making it suitable for both city streets and long-distance touring. The historical significance of the 1938 Rolls-Royce extends beyond its engineering achievements. These automobiles represented a fascinating moment in history. They were among the last great luxury cars produced before World War II dramatically changed the automotive industry. As a result, surviving examples serve as important reminders of a remarkable era of craftsmanship and innovation. Today, collectors around the world treasure these vehicles. Restored examples frequently appear at prestigious automotive events and concours competitions, where they continue to captivate audiences with their beauty and elegance. Enthusiasts admire not only their design but also the incredible level of craftsmanship that went into their creation. One reason the 1938 Rolls-Royce remains so respected is its timeless appeal. Trends come and go, but true elegance never fades. Decades after leaving the factory, these automobiles continue to inspire designers, collectors, and automotive historians. They remind us that luxury is not merely about technology or performance, it is about artistry, attention to detail, and a commitment to excellence. The enduring legacy of Rolls-Royce can still be seen in the company's modern vehicles. While today's models feature advanced technology and contemporary engineering, they continue to embrace the values that defined the great automobiles of the past. The dedication to quality, comfort, and exclusivity remains at the heart of the Rolls-Royce brand. As we look back at the 1938 Rolls-Royce, we see far more than a classic automobile. We see a masterpiece of design, a triumph of engineering, and a symbol of an era when craftsmanship was celebrated at the highest level. It represents the pursuit of perfection and serves as a reminder that some creations truly stand the test of time. Thank you for joining us on Auto Luxury Channel as we explored the elegance and history of the magnificent 1938 Rolls-Royce. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive history, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with fellow classic car enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments which vintage luxury automobile you would like to see featured next. Until next time, keep appreciating the timeless beauty of the world's greatest automobiles. Did you like this feature?